Well, hello, friends. Here we are. Welcome to my world at Pacific Northwest Plumbing. Here we have an old cast iron 4-inch pipe, which we have to get rid of. How are we going to do that? We got to cut that out. And we got to use these pathways to basically plumb the next project. This is a new construction, not new construction. This is a remodel. My correction. Here we have plans. This is the basement plan. So this is where the sewer comes in right here. Just like that. Now we have to run to the kitchen, plumb this bathroom. We gotta run a stack over here because there's bathrooms upstairs. You see, the kitchen upstairs. On the 3rd floor, we have another bathroom, laundry, another bathroom. So you see, folks, this is no joke here. There's a lot of action going on here. I'm running solo today. Got no backup unit with me. It's just another day in the office. What can I say? Nothing different. Nothing different. So we're gonna start here. Start at the cast iron. We're gonna use the tool of the day. Will be this guy. Just kidding. We're gonna be using the Milwaukee grinder. Basic. You gotta have the 6.0 battery. And kind of, if you wanna hear the engine roar, if you wanna hear that thing. Yeah. Kind of sounds like the dentist. So, not pleasant, but it gets you paid. So here we are, North Portland. Didn't want to give out my address here, but North Portland, I'll tell you that much. We got the activity bus here, so we ready to get active here. All right, keep you updated, but let's rock and roll.